I love customizing my phone, which is why I love Android. And I've been looking for a good aviation theme for a very long time, and all I could find were some fancy wallpapers. So I thought,
Fine. I'll do it myself.
and here's my phone. Starting with lock screen, that's our beautiful Boeing 787. And here's my homepage, which is basically the primary flight display of 787 with some changes. If you look down, those are 4 icons designed to look like autopilot buttons. Each opens respective apps: SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, and phone call. Little up, there's Chrome by Google. It's for Google search, and the calendar. Then there are 4 icons for each respective pages. There are total 5 pages. This is for camera and gallery page. Now that's the navigation display of 787 with a lot of changes, of course. 2 autopilot buttons, camera, and gallery. Then here's 3 white icons: Gmail, Ymail, Bmail, Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, Blue Mail, where I've set up my official ID. 2 blue icons, they're apps for my 2 different cameras. This is for Insta360 camera and an app for Sony Action Cam. That's Google Photos, and the 4 blue icons for navigating through the pages, like PFD will take me to my first page, that's primary flight display. Next page is my payment page, where I've arranged my payment apps. This is the secondary engine indication of the 787 with a lot of changes again, starting with Amex. That's Paytm, Google Pay, and Bharat interface for money. 2 apps for cab service, Ola and Uber, which I haven't used for the last 3 months for obvious reasons. And there's my Geo and a currency conversion app just to keep a tab on the current dollar rate. In the center are the page navigation icons again, PFD for the first page, and so on and so forth. 4th page is designed like the heads-up display of 787 with a lot of changes to suit me. 3 icons on the top. Arms on mobile, an app where we check details of our scheduled flights, documents, validity, etc. R&D app, I like to keep a tab of it. And scientific calculator. Then down here is the weather app called Windy. It's a beautiful app. And the Meteor bot, which is basically part of Telegram app. Here we can put the ICAO codes of any airport and get the latest Meteor, like VAVV is for Mumbai, and here's the Meteor for Mumbai. You can also get tabs, terminal aerodrome forecast, satellite image too, thanks to my very good friend Nasir Khangi, who introduced this Meteor bot to me. Then again 4 icons to navigate through the pages, PFD to the first page, and again so on and so forth. Then to my last page, which is entertainment and extras. Now that's similar to the status page of the 787, wherein we have such blue boxes, each for an individual system, like one is for hydraulics, one for crew oxygen, one for APU, and for status messages. So I have a news column here on the top with a news widget inside for the latest news. There's one is for the weather. Then a box for entertainment, Amazon Music, YouTube, Play Store. And last part is pages and extras with the icons to navigate through the pages again, and blank space to put in any new app that I need on the go. And that's just about it. Nothing great. Just that I love to customize my phone, and I love the look of aircraft instrumentation, So thank you for watching.